you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Tonight I am cleaning up my dining room and my kitchen. I have just made dinner, and so I'm trying to get things ready so we can sit down and eat together and to clean up our mess that we made in the kitchen. I hope it gives you guys some great cleaning motivation.
But now I'm different, yeah, I'm okay. You had your reasons, you did your best, but the one you needed was someone else. I sat there waiting for you to change. Then I realized you're not the one for me. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one. I still remember those things you did. Yeah, they still linger, still hurt a bit. Might hurt forever, yeah, that's what they say. But I know I'll never will face that day. I wanted space, you wanted trouble. You hurt me once, the pain was double. Though you were more than just a hit and run, I should have known that you were not the one. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the closure to recover. What I do now, I wish I knew back then. But I was younger, didn't know love when. You broke my heart to a million pieces. I've dried my tears, but I want you to know I'm not the one that you thought you needed. I faced my fears and you're not the one.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection
You guys, I finally have the video with the crown molding in it. I am so sorry about the last one, but here it is. And then also I had been asked if we had an oven and where it was. So you can see it's to the right of the fridge. We actually went with the double oven, which was so handy for Thanksgiving. I knew it would be handy for holidays, but I use it so often, which I wasn't expecting, and I absolutely love it. So Briley's about to come in. If you guys don't know, she's my oldest. She is 10 years old. And something that we started doing, we noticed that we were eating a lot of the same meals all the time and we were getting tired of them, but we always had a hard time trying to figure out what to make. So we started asking our kids what they wanted to make for dinner or have for the week. So everyone in the family would pick one dinner, and they could also pick a lunch, and then they have to help make the meal. And so tonight we were making lasagna, and Briley was helping with like the side dishes right now. So she came in to help with the bread and the salad.
Below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold, but I will wait, I hold my breath till I turn blue. I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, oh you fill my mind. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same.
Alright, as you can see, Jared just pulled out dinner, so we're going to go ahead and end the video. I hope it gave you guys some great cleaning motivation, and I'll see you back here again real soon with some more cleaning motivation.
Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble.